Hi everyone! In this video we will solve equations with constants on both sides. Solve negative 4a plus 7 equals negative 21. Our goal is to isolate the variable. This means that I need to find all of the operations around the variable and do the opposite to negate them. And because I have several operations here, addition and multiplication, we need to do the opposite of the order of operations. The order of operations is parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide, add and subtract. And we typically go in that order. However, since we are undoing these to find the variable, we move in the opposite direction. So the first thing we work with is the adding and subtracting step. Since it says add 7, the opposite to negate that is subtract 7. And we have to do it to both sides to keep the equal sign balanced. Positive 7 minus 7 cancels to 0, and so we're left with negative 4a on the left side of the equal sign. On the right side, negative 21 minus 7 gives us negative 28. When the signs are the same, we add them and keep the same sign. Now to continue, we have finished the adding and subtracting step, so the next one will be multiplying and dividing. The operation here is multiplication, negative 4 times a, and the opposite of that to negate it will be dividing by negative 4. And we must do it to both sides to keep the equal sign balanced. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 is positive 1. Positive 1 times a is a, and you can say that it just cancels. Negative 4 cancels with negative 4. And on the right-hand side, a negative divided by a negative is positive. 28 divided by 4 is 7, and so we end up with the answer of a equals 7. And we can always check any equation by going back to the original and substituting in what we got for our answer. Our original equation is negative 4a plus 7 equals negative 21. And to substitute, we will replace the variable with a set of parentheses to help keep all of the operations and signs correct. And we will substitute 7 in for a inside our parentheses. Now that we've substituted, we will work in the order of operations in the correct fashion in this direction. I don't have any parentheses or exponents, so we'll move to multiplication and division. Negative 4 times 7 is negative 28, plus 7 equals negative 21. Now we can go ahead and we've done all the multiplication and division, so we can move to the last step of adding and subtracting. Negative 28 plus 7 is negative 21, which does equal negative 21. So this checks, and that means that our answer that we got of a equals 7 is correct, and so we're all done.